Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make stew for Appam easy method. Start by heating oil and tempering mustard seeds and curry leaves, then sauté sliced onions until soft. Add ginger, green chilies, and cubed vegetables, followed by both thick and thin coconut milk to reach desired creaminess. Simmer on low until vegetables are tender, season with black pepper and salt, finish with cilantro and lime before serving. Make the stew gently for best texture and flavor. Begin with a tempering of mustard and curry leaves in hot oil, then sweat onions until translucent. Add ginger, green chilies, and vegetables, stirring to coat. Pour both thick and thin coconut milk, bring to a gentle simmer, and season with black pepper and turmeric. Cook until vegetables are tender and flavors meld, taste and adjust salt, then finish with cilantro. If this video is helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy recipes and kitchen tips. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is perfect for staying hydrated while you cook or carry in your bag. It's durable and spill resistant. I've linked it and other great deals in the description, so check there for details and offers. Thanks for watching, and I appreciate your support. Now let's get back to the video. Keep the stew low and slow so the coconut milk stays creamy and doesn't split. If using chicken, pre-cook it and fold in at the end to avoid overcooking. For eggs or paneer, gently stir them into the warm stew to absorb flavor. Taste for salt and pepper, add a squeeze of lime if desired, and let the stew rest briefly before serving alongside freshly made appam. Enjoy the comforting pairing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.